Hey, what's up, y'all? This is TC, and thanks for tuning in to TC Time. I'm going to show you how to keep your hands warm in the winter, no matter what. Believe me, I'm an expert. You need to pay attention because if you don't get this right, you're going to get frostbite. All right, first thing you do is, just so you know, the reason I'm an expert is because we're working out here in 7-degree weather. We are using metal bolts, metal wrenches, yellow nuts, metal log washers, and any survival expert will tell you the worst thing to do in cold weather is to put metal up against your skin. It's also the hardest thing to handle, even through regular work gloves. So this is how you stay safe in the cold weather. Today it's 7 degrees, and I've been out here all day, and believe me, I am just fine. All right, the first thing you do is you put a pair of liners in your gloves, just like this. Then what you want to do is you want to take you want to get yourself some Hot Hands hand warmers. Put them right here on top of your hand. That's where all the veins are, all the blood supply to your hand. So you put them on top of your hand, put your liner on, then your glove on, and you should be fine all day. If I taught you something today, be sure and hit the subscribe button, press the like button if you liked it. If you didn't, check out my channel. I got lots of other content, lots of other videos. So thanks again, y'all, for tuning in to TC Time.